how to add other story to my story. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can add other story to my story, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to add other story to your story on Instagram, you can simply go ahead and launch the Instagram application here. Now there are two case scenarios. One is if you are mentioned in the story, the other is if you aren't. So if you're mentioned in a particular story, you can simply go to a DMs tab and then you'll most likely get a notification that you have been tagged inside of that story, and you can directly add them to your story. But in another case scenario, if you're not tagged in that story, the only way that you can share someone's story is by simply taking a screenshot or a screen recording of that particular video or photo. Once you do that, just re-upload that same screenshot over here by simply going ahead and selecting any of these, and once done you can also choose to tag that person if that's what you're looking to do. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically add other story to my story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.